Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google account recovery page and entering the address you want to reclaim. Once done, choose the option to receive a code at your recovery email. This proves ownership faster than guessing passwords. Make sure you can access that mailbox right away because codes expire. If prompted, confirm the last password you remember. Otherwise, select Try another way to get the recovery email link. This first step secures a verification channel you control. Once the recovery email arrives, open it and find the 6-digit verification code. This is the key to proving you own the account. You should copy the code exactly and paste it into the recovery form on Google. If you type, double-check each digit. If you don't see the message, refresh the mailbox and check spam or filters. If the code expires, request a new one. Make sure your device clock is accurate so the code timing matches Google's validation window. After entering the correct code, you'll be prompted to set a new password. Choose something unique and store it in a safe manager. Once changed, review account recovery settings and add or confirm a phone and secondary email to prevent future lockouts. If Google still blocks access, clear your browser cache or switch to the device and location you most often used with the account. If problems persist, wait 24 to 48 hours. Google sometimes enforces a cooling period before allowing another recovery attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.